Here are two 2002 5-ton American Standard Allegiance 10 air conditioners at another building in the business complex where my eye doctor is. Down there's his building. There's the pond. Here they are. Only one of them's running. These ones have scrolls. You can see down there, Alliance scrolls. This one, it looks like, was running not too long ago. There's the model number. R22, 2002, 5-ton. Allegiance, high efficiency. Here's the one that's running. It's noisy. That's cold and sweaty. That's about outdoor temperature. 2002, June 2002. You get it. It's loud. Very loud. These are matched up to 80% American Standard furnaces in the basement. I actually saw the one from my eye doctor's place. There's the flue vent for one of them, or maybe both the furnaces. But this is loud though. Very loud. So. Yep, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.